Hey guys, welcome back for a new video. This week is short update. As you could already see in my community post, I had some news about the Finches. The last couple of weeks they were both very busy, flying on and off to feed the newly hatched chicks. But since then the birds grow super fast and now we have 3 little fledglings in our aviary. They look very healthy and fit and are already flying around exploring the whole aviary. For the other birds, not really much is going on. The cordon bleu male is doing its dance, but no nest building yet. The other birds all went into their mold, especially the golds had a very heavy molding period. It seems that we are at the end now, so hopefully they will build one last nest this year. The quail chicks are also doing great and are almost as big as their parents now. We have 4 males and 2 females. 1 male and 1 female has a mutation called golden pearl. We already had 2 females of this mutation in the past, but never had a male before. Unfortunately, that's not the only news. A couple of days ago we found their mother dead on the ground. After some examination I found out that her neck was broken. I guess it was scared by a cat or a large bird and just flew into something. Bad luck. But we have had a lot of bad luck with quails the last couple of years, so hopefully it's over now. Now I have to come up with a plan to replace her without losing our good bloodline. But I have a plan. Stay tuned to see what that plan is. But back to our new additions in the aviary. They are doing great and it's wonderful to see them exploring the aviary. Just enjoy these next coming clips and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. That's it for now. Hope you liked this update and I see you next time. And remember, stay happy and always love your birds. Bye bye!